Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why I'm starting to like blogging a lot more these days. Last year, I wasn't big into blogging, but after listening to Income School, watching the video, I started to take blogging a little bit serious. And over time, you start blogging, and once you start getting traffic. Now, I don't get a whole lot of traffic. On a weekly basis, I might get 250 people to my blog, and every day I might get 30 to 40 people to my blog every day. But the more you blog, and then the more traffic you get. I'm not getting more traffic, I'm just getting sustained traffic. So I'm not getting like it's going up every month. Well, it is a little bit, but this month's been kind of a down month. But I'm still getting 14 to 15, 20 people to my blog every day. And once you start to blog more, and it's out there online all day long, John Chow said it best. It's a system. A blog is a system that can make you money. It removes you to as a source of income. The blog could make the money. And the more I blog, the more it makes sense. Like, granted, I haven't made no money from the blog yet. I have not made no money. I think I made like one Amazon sale. But I'm getting tracked to the blog when I'm at work, when I'm sleeping, while I'm playing with my son. It's always getting some type of traffic. And you could set this thing up to make money for you where you're not even there. All I have to do is produce the content. So my last video, I thought about, once the blog is set up, or you add content. That's what I'm doing now. All I'm doing is posting content, and that's it. I'm not even doing nothing extra. Once your body and header and sidebars and footer is all set, or you just put content in the body and then keep writing content. So I like that fact. I mean, it's just, it could be a machine. It could be a system online that makes money. Now, I used to do paid traffic, and I still do paid traffic. And when it comes to paid traffic versus free traffic, the paid traffic is good because traffic is fast, it's easy, it's quick. You get it in the next hour. You get people clicking at your offers. But you got to have money for paid traffic. And some paid traffic cheaper than others. You might get paid traffic 5 or 6 cents, depending on where you go. But the paid traffic is fast. But the thing about paid traffic is that you got to have money for one. And two, when you run out of money, the traffic stops. Now, the blog and YouTube's the same way. YouTube, backtrack a little bit. YouTube, it also could be a system that's online, always on. YouTube's always on. That can make you money. So blog and YouTube together is good. Paid traffic, once the money stops, your traffic stops. So can paid traffic be a system? Yes and no. When it's on, yes. But when it's off, it's off. You gotta keep feeding that machine money. Well, with the blog, I'm feeding the machine content. And YouTube, I'm feeding it content. So you got a vending machine. Your vending machine can make you a hamburger within a minute. My machine has to bake the bread, has to cook the meat, has to peel the cheese back, has to put the ketchup mustard on it, has to put it together, has to wrap it. It takes a long time for the machine to do that. That's how I see paid traffic, free traffic. Paid traffic, machine make it in 5 minutes, is done. The free traffic, it has to make all the ingredients for your sandwich. So that's how I look at it. But both things are a machine. They're both a machine. But instead of me putting money in, I had to put money into the fast machine. I had to put money in it to make it work. The slow machine, I'm costing but time. It takes me time and content. And both of those are free. So I'm just putting in time. So every day during the week, I got to deposit 2-3 hours and deposit some content for the machine to work. With the paid traffic, you can do a campaign in 10 to 15 minutes. So I think a blog and YouTube channel is a slow vending machine. It's a really slow vending machine, has to make everything for you versus a fast vending machine. And if the blog is set up correctly, I'm seeing it now, it can make you a lot of money with you not being there. I mean, once your blog finally hits that hockey stick, what Income School says, you can make money on autopilot. I mean, it's a business where you can run it 2 hours a day. I mean, because once you start getting that traffic and you blog every day, you have a lot of content for Google to rank for. It's pretty much steady. It's pretty much steady work. So my suggestion, why I love blogging, because you could turn it into a system that makes you money. It takes time, like the machine. It takes time to bake the bread. It takes time to cook the meat. It takes time to do all these things. It just takes time, but man, once you get there, it's gravy. I'm not there yet, but I will be soon. So this is why I love blogging and YouTube. I say, if you want to do all three, paid traffic, YouTube, blogging, do it. Just do it. You can always set the blog up, timestamp your work, do the YouTube videos, do 3-4 videos per day, a week, and you still do paid traffic. Paid traffic is easy to set up. Paid traffic, I use Bing. You do it in like 15 minutes and have it running. Then once that's running, you go ahead and do a video. Once you've done the video, upload it and do whatever, then you can write a blog post and do 2 blog posts. You can do all 3. You could really do all 3 if you want to. There's no stopping you. Because blogging don't take a long time. Making a video don't take a long time. Maybe an hour to write a blog post, maybe 2 hours of that. And you can write on your cell phone. So this is why I like blogging so much, because you could turn it into a system that makes you money. YouTube channel, the same way. You can keep creating videos and drive traffic to your offers. And this is why I create a video every day. I might get 1 or 2 views, but that's 1 or 2 views I didn't have yesterday. That's 1 or 2 views that I didn't have before. It's content. So, and it lasts forever. So that video get 2 views this week, might get 2-3 views next week. It might get 4 or 5 views week after. 6 months from now, it might get 60 views altogether. And it took me 10 minutes to shoot the video while I was at work on my lunch break, not wasting my own time. TyForTheSking.com. I hope you liked the message today. And if you want to start your blog today, look below the video for Bluehost. Start now. You get a free domain with an account. Also, if you want to learn how to make money with YouTube, I have a program for that. And also, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and become a super affiliate for free, not cost you any money, look below the video as well for that link as well. TyForTheSking.com. Thanks for watching.